What's up friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your country or region on the ASOS app. To do that guys, just simply click the three lines on the upper left and here you want to go to app settings. Under the app settings you can choose your delivery to, and this is the country or region. Depending on whichever country or region you're in, this will change the currency of the app, the type of content that you see, and of course the language of the app. So let's say I want to switch this to, for example, German or Spanish, whatever, right? So let's choose Spanish. You will see that it reloads the app knows in Spanish. And of course, if you click the three lines there, you will go back and you go to the settings. You can see that it changed to euro. For example, if I tap on that again and I choose, for example, let's find something else in the list here. This looks like Poland. If you choose that, you can see that it goes into Polish, right? It says Danke. Now, if you click the three lines again and go into the settings, you see that it goes into the Poland currency as well. So depending on whichever country you choose, it will select the currency for you, change the language as well, and also the content in the application as well. So that's pretty much, we can change your country region, guys, on the ASOS app.